Hey everybody, this is No Rain by Blind Melon. I'm just going to give you a nice acoustic version of this. You can play it with some really simple chords, and I'll put the chords right here so you can play along. All I can say is that my life is pretty plain. I like watching the puddles gather rain. So that's the verse. The very core of the song is just E major, D, A, and E major. And then there's a little part where it goes, it's not sane, it's not sane, it's not sane. And that's an E7 chord for that part. The second half of the verse is a little bit bouncier, and it just goes back and forth from E to D. I just want someone to say to me, whoa, oh, oh, I'll always be there when you wait. So that's the three sections, essentially. It just goes back and forth from the verse to that second verse, and there's the little tag in the middle with the E7. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow. We're doing a new tutorial every single day. Much appreciated, and we'll see you next time.